Bonjour les gars. Today we are going to talk about the egg whites. Why do they become white when you whisk them? What are egg whites made of? When you ask people the question, they answer protein. That's right, but it's not the main constituent. An egg white contains only 10% proteins. The other 90% is, guess what? Water. Even if proteins are in minority, they have a lot of talents. Eh oui, a protein is a giant molecule made up of more than 100 blocks called amino acid. These long molecules are twisted, folded, and curled up. To make it simple, let's imagine a protein like curly hair. Ooh la la! When you whisk an egg white, the quick movement of a whisk unravels the hair. Oh, oops, sorry, the protein, and incorporates air bubbles at the same time. Air bubbles are large and sparse when you start to beat an egg white. The more you whisk, the more air bubbles start to form and divide. Protein and air bubbles also trap water contained in the egg white. This is why it becomes firm. Et voilà! It's at this moment that you have to remove the whisk. Is there a risk of over-whisking? Mais bien sûr! If the proteins are overstretched, they will become unstable. The water is no longer properly trapped in the network. You get a gritty texture caused by the cluster of proteins, which is very dramatic. But why is it white? Light contains a range of different visible radiation, those you can see in a rainbow. The color of an object depends on which visible radiation of light are reflected, transmitted, or absorbed. For example, a red jumper appears red because it's absorbed all the radiations except the red that is reflected. For a white jumper, I said white, not red, merci, all the radiation is reflected. But go back to our egg whites. When an object is clear or translucid, the light can pass through it. This is the case of raw egg whites. As you whisk, the foam starts to appear because of a protein unfolding. This foam does not let the light pass through. The whisked egg whites appear white because they reflect all the rays of visible light equally, like the white jumper. Eh bien, merci pour votre écoute et à très bientôt!